Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in AutoCAD. In this tutorial, we are going to model this gasket 2D drawing using AutoCAD. For that, first go to the AutoCAD software. Now we are in the AutoCAD software. For easy explanation, I am just going to keep this software right side and drawing in the left side. And this one I am going to keep in the right side. Okay. First go to new, just click this one, you will be able to go into new file. Now we are in the new file. Before starting any model, first set the units. Here our units are in millimeter, choose millimeter. First for the type units, enter. You will get this dialog box. Here we need to specify the precision. So here decimal only. Here the precision after the point is 1 precision we record. Because here you can see the diameter is 1.2. So choose 0.0, the 1 decimal precision. Then default it is in the inches, choose millimeter. Say OK. Now we have set the units. Then we need to specify the limits. Just type limits, enter. Here it is showing that unknown command, then type limits again, just enter. The lower left corner is always be 0, 0, 0, 0, enter. Right corner you need to specify the dimension which is more than the dimension of our model. So our dimension of maximum dimension is 14. Then I am going to specify which is 25, 25, just enter. Then Z enter, A enter. Now we did a zoom all also. Then we'll model this drawing. For that we'll start with the circle. Just type C. C is nothing but circle. C enter. Now the circle command came into our mouse. Just click the center point. Then we need to specify a diameter. The maximum outer diameter is 14. So just D enter. Diameter is 14. Just 14. Now we have created this outer circle. Then we'll create the inner circle, which the diameter is, inner circle diameter is 10. So then type again C enter. Same, just choose the center point. This one is the center point. And the diameter is 10. So D enter, 10 enter. Now we have created both the circles. Then we'll create a center mark. CM enter. Choose this circle. You will get the center mark. Then escape. Then we'll create this circle. This circle is 45 degree from this. For that you just create a line. Just L enter. Choose the center point. Here line which is 45 degree. You cannot able to move manually. For that just press the tab. Now you can able to change the editing options. Here you can see. Now you can able to change the angle. The angle is 45. Just enter. Right click, cancel. Now in the outer circle we just want to create where it is crossing both this line as well as this circle edge. You just create a circle with the diameter of 1.2 and the bigger circle radius is 1. Then just type C enter. This point just click it. This diameter, then D enter. Diameter is 1.2. Just enter. Then we need to create one more circle. Just again C enter. Same the midpoint. And the radius is 1. Just 1 enter. Now we have created both the circles. Then we just create a horizontal line. This 6 dimension is the wrong one. Just create a horizontal line here and vertical line here by connecting with the circle. Just simply create a line. L enter. Switch on the ortho mode by pressing F8. Now here you can see there is a quadrant point. Just choose a line and create a horizontal line. Right click, cancel. Similarly just L enter. Here quadrant point. Create a vertical line. Right click, cancel. Now just remove the unwanted edges by using a trim tool. Just type TR enter. Just remove this line. just escape, select this line and enter. Now again go for TR, enter, remove this line also, escape. Now we have created this first feature. Similarly, these three features we need to make. For that, we can use the option called mirror. Simply just select this feature, select this one, the circle, this line. Now we have selected this feature. Then go for mirror. Just mirror option is MI, enter. We need to choose the first point here and second point is here. And just no. Now we have mirror here. Similarly, we need to mirror these two into this side. So just simply select this, whatever the feature you want to make a mirror. Now we have selected. Just again MI, enter. Now we need to choose the first point and second point as this here. Select this first point and select this as a second point. Just give a no. Now we have created all the features. Then remove the unwanted edges by using a trim tool. Just TR, enter. This one, this one, this one we don't need it. Similarly here, this one, and this one. Similarly here, this one, and this one. Now we have created all the features. Then we'll create center mark for this circle also. CM, enter. Create a center mark this one. So just Control Z. Just escape. CM, enter. Here, 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 and here. Now we have created center mark for all. Then we'll create, we can increase the thickness also. Simply select the complete object, go for bilayer, increase into 0.35, switch on the line weight. Now we have created. Then you just, these lines you make it simple only. Just select these lines manually, change this width into default bilayer rule. Okay, then escape. Now we have created complete model. Then we'll create a dimension for this. For that, just go for the linear dimension, linear one. This from here, just escape. Linear dimension from this point to that point. The dimension is 14. And the radius is, simply we can specify radius. Similarly, we can specify radius of this also. Here we can specify. Here we can specify the diameter. For this, we'll specify radius. Escape. This one we can modify it by using a dim style. Go for dim STY, just enter. Go to modify. Symbols and arrow, you just make it 2. Text also you make it 2. Primary units make it 1 digit. Say OK and close. This dimensions are looking bigger, so just go for dim style again. Modify. Here symbols and arrow make it 0.5. Text also make it 0.5. And then OK and close. This dimension is enough. Then click it and move it here. This is, we need to modify it. Just double click here. Just go to left side. Just 4 space X space. Similarly here also just double click. And this side 4 space X space. This way we can do it. The same model we have recreated here. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share to your friends. In next tutorial, we will come up with a new model. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.